What's up, SellerAmp Nation? In today's video, I'm going to show you several examples of profitable products that you can sell on Amazon FBA for a profit. This week, exact examples breaking down all the numbers and product analysis of what you want to look for in a good product to flip on Amazon. Just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support on the channel and for SellerAmp as a whole. We really appreciate you guys and want to continue to serve you as best we can. If you have any questions, let us know down below in the comments. Let's get right in the video. So let's hop in and take a look at a bunch of products right here. This first initial product is these black Nike dry fit shorts. So right off the bat, just looking at this product, it seems like it's going to be pretty popular, right? And it's at $40. And as we're doing online arbitrage product research, we want to go ahead and audit when we look at an item on Amazon if we think we could find that for half of the price or less. So that's what's called the 1 to 2 rule. Basically. So we can see this is at 40, so we know that we need to pay 20 bucks or less to make this a profitable product to sell on Amazon. And then what we can do is say you were doing storefront stalking, you found this product, you saw that the BSR was only 31K right here, so we know that this sells quick, and this is a common color. It's black and white, probably going to be the kind of thing that does pretty well. Right there, we would come up here on SellerAmp and hit Google. Right here, and then we can see these are actually over on Nike.com right here for only 20 bucks. And then with the Prime Day sale or competing with Prime Day sale they have going on, we get this down to a 16 cost, right? So what we want to do then is hop over here on Amazon. We can see that a 2XL is going for about 40 bucks. So at a 16 buy cost, that leaves us about $11 profit per sale right here. And then the nice thing is this also has variations. So there's other sizes to take a look at too. Right here. So we can see a size extra large is 40 as well, right? And then we can scroll down here, plug that in on SellerAmp. We can see 16 cost, $12 profit, 74% ROI right there. And then we can scroll down and take a look at the Kiva chart as well and see the price on this guy is pretty stable right here as well. And that it's been, around 40 bucks for a while right here. So this beats the 1 to 2 rule. It has proven demand, right? We can see 31K BSR, and it's a common color. And then the nice thing too is we can see there's also incredible cash back on Nike.com today as well. And then I assume this sale probably ends tomorrow. So through and through, this is a really quality online arbitrage product. And I definitely encourage you guys to take a look at the other colors as well, because it is proven that the black and white ones in several different sizes are good products, right? Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend going ahead and buying these. It's more just an example of stuff that's good so that you guys can go ahead and pick these listings and storefront stock from there to find more products and so on and so forth, basically. If you're interested in a full walkthrough of SellerAmp and just product research live with it, check out the other videos on our channel. This one will purely be doing product analysis of what winning products look like. But the big thing is making sure a product has adequate velocity, aka the sales rank is typically below 100,000 right there, and that there's good profit, right? So typically 30% plus ROI right here is what you're worried about, and then like $3 to $4 profit plus. This is a great example of a small product. We can see only weighs 7 ounces right here. That is a really good profit per unit. Let's move on to product right here. So over on Snipes, we can see these Adidas NMD sneakers right here. So they retail for $150, right? And now we can pick them up for only $75 right here. So that's 50% off the retail price. So that's pretty quality, right? And then I saw on Amazon, the lowest price is actually $150, right? So that hits the 1 to 2 rule, right? And that we're buying it for $75. It's flipping at $150. It's right about the 1 to 2 rule. And we can see that's going to leave us a profit of $36 per sale, right? And we can see it only has 3 sellers right here. So it's very low competition. Then it's a 3K BSR. So we know that this sells pretty quick. And in general, just looking at this, right, you've probably seen people wearing this in public. It's a common color. It would make sense that this would do well, right? And the nice thing too is that this has variations, right? So we can see there's other sizes and colors to take a look at right here, which we can go ahead and show like, okay, what about a size 12, right? So a size 12 is down at 120. So at a $75 buy cost, that's only about a 24% ROI. So you'd probably pass on that. We want 30% plus, even a little higher with shoes. Right here, okay, size 13 is the same way. What about a size 11? Right here. Size 11 is 120 as well, right? So you want to take a look at some of these other colors as well. Okay, a 10.5, right, is a nice $35 profit per unit and a 47% ROI, right? So that one makes sense right here. And we can see 3K BSR, so it makes sense. Pretty straightforward in terms of that being a winning product. Now, this is an example of a rare case of an item just being profitable at the price that it shows on the website, right? It makes sense at 75 right there. Typically, you're going to need some sort of complication to make an item profitable. This is one of the biggest mistakes we see with beginners is they expect stuff to just be profitable when they hit Google with it on SellerAmp. That is not how things work. The magic is in getting additional discounts on stuff. So, for example, like we can see 75, that ended up being profitable, but this one, right, at $20, right, it's still profitable, but we had the 20% code, which gets it down to 16, which makes it really, really good right there. So you guys want to be making sure you're using discounted gift cards, you're finding coupons, that you have all the coupon Chrome extensions that are free, Capital One Shopping, Rakuten, Be Frugal, Top Cashback, Honey. And the nice thing is once you learn about a coupon, right, like for example, a 10% email signup code, you're going to be able to use that again and again by setting up what's called a catch-all as well. Right there. So like for my own business, there's some coupons I've been using for years, like legit consecutively for years right here. So next product, heading over to the beauty category right here. So right off the bat, we can see this is only 0.2 ounces right here. And we can see it only weighs 0.64 ounces by looking at the dimensions on SellerAmp, right? This is a $43 product that weighs 0.6 ounces. So there's a very high perceived value clearly, right? And then what we do is we just go ahead and Google this right here. And then we can see it's on the NARS Cosmetics website right here for 26 bucks, right? And I also noticed that they have 2.5% cash back. Now that doesn't really matter. We're not going to count that in the buy cost. Definitely doesn't hurt though. A 15% code pops up where I need to enter in my email and my phone number to get it, right? So I know that that 26, right? If we put in 26, we can see we're going to make about a 15% ROI. It's not quite good enough, but if we go ahead and take off that 15%, right here, and we can see we got some other colors we want to take a look through as well. That now puts us at $8 profit on a super small product right here. So that's very bullish in terms of, we can fit a bunch of those in a box. Shipping to Amazon would be super cheap. And the nice thing is that the SellerAmp Prof Calculator actually takes into account shipping to Amazon as well. So you want to go to selleramp.com, hit the settings, enter in 30 cents per pound to estimate that, as well as your sales tax percent for your specific state, which you can find on Google. So that way SellerAmp Calculator has your exact net numbers and you don't need to do a bunch of mental math in terms of finding your own numbers and everything right here. So the last item right here, and I would definitely check some of the variations for that other one too, is this basic t-shirt. Now, this doesn't have a buy box here, but we can see this is a gray color, super common, right? The overall listing is a 22,000 rank. So we know that this listing is a wholesale slot. Now, it would make sense that a gray one would sell one of the quickest of that, right? And then we can verify by scrolling down here, taking a look at the Keep It chart, that we can see the price has been very stable for about the last month or so, right? It's settled in nicely, about 26 bucks right there. And then we can see over on Adidas.com, this is on sale for only $13, right? And then at the top, we can see 25% off almost everything with an additional code right here that I saw on Capital One Shopping, which is Score Big right here. So we have these at a 13 cost, right? So at a 13 cost, that puts us about an 8% ROI. However, we can take 25% off that by multiplying it by 0.75, right? And that puts us at now a $10 buy cost, which puts us about $5 profit. So it's a really, really nice product. And the nice thing too is there's a bunch of other ones that needs to take a look at as well right here. Like they got other sizes too, right? A medium is, let's see what the size is 25, right? And there's actually a buy box in this one too. So that makes sense as well. So we're going to be right around the $5 profit range as well. What about other colors, black and white, blue, right? You can take a look through all this stuff and navigate the variations, and we can see that we can nicely pick a lot of these guys up for about 10 bucks, which just in general makes sense. It's nice and cheap, that would be good and everything. So I hope this product analysis video was helpful for you guys. There's a ton of opportunity with Amazon Online Arbitrage. If there's anything we can do to help you guys, please let us know. The big takeaway is that you got to be getting discounts, right? Very, very little is going to be profitable when you just initially Google it. You got to be getting these coupons, taking advantage of sales. That's how you're going to make money and build a competitive advantage, because other people aren't finding this stuff, right? So you need to know about the discounts that other people aren't finding, and you need to, track them over time. And stuff. The nice thing is we're Prime days right now, so a lot of retailers have different sales going on, stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot, SellerAmp Nation. We love you guys.